Wouldn't it be great if there was a clean, renewable energy source to power all of these without making a lot of that, while saving a lot of this? Fortunately, there is. Solar power is simple, modern, cost-effective, and unlimited. But sometimes putting panels on your roof just isn't practical, like if you rent, or live here, or under this. Fortunately, there's a new kind of solar, and it's changing everything. Community solar. Instead of panels you own, they're nearby on a local business or in an open area. And because there's nothing to install, there's none of this, and just a few minutes of this, with plenty of room for everyone. Bottom line, it's all the benefits of that, so you can run all of these and feel like this. To learn how to sign up, go to ourcommunitysolar.com.